Hi, John Ozzy here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of one of our FTP traders, Valery. Valery has been with us from the 27th of March up until this present date of review, 30th of April 2021. Valery has maintained 16.18% and a daily rate of 0.44% and a monthly gain of 13.84%. So congratulations, Valerie, on your achievement. Let's go through your account and see how you've achieved your 10%. Valerie has had a total of 52 trades, and out of these 52 trades, Valerie has an effective 83% strike rate. She's rightly on the money and accurate and more effective 83% of the time. Valerie has only won 43 out of 52 and lost only 9 out of 52, which represent a 17% loss rate. So having 83% of your trades on the winning side and in the money is very effective. This is down to money management, a solid trading plan. And as I can see from looking at the graphs, Valerie is a consistent trader, but I'm now curious to see what pairs Valerie has traded. Valerie has been very adventurous and traded quite a few pairs. And if you look at how Valerie has made her 10%, Valerie has some big gains here on the Canadian dollar yen, on the euro AUD, on the pound US dollar, which is a trader's favorite, and the US dollar Swiss franc. So moving forward, Valerie, I always recommend to traders just master a few pairs and you're much more consistent and you got the laser sharp concept in the sense that you know what you want, you know what you need, and you know how much you're willing to risk and lose on a pair. So I like to stick to four consistent pairs, and I just say start with four and build yourself up because right now the pound US dollar, the Canadian dollar yen, the Australian dollar CAD, and the Euro AUD are four of your best trades here to date. You've had a loss on the Australian dollar Swiss franc, and clearly you've lost a lot on the Euro US dollar. So take these two pairs out of your trading watch list and focus on where you actually make the money. This is what will serve you well going forward onto the new level, moving on to 60,000 US dollars. You have to keep on doing what you were doing before because it's still the same concept. The only difference now is you have to adjust your lot size and your risk as well to adapt your strategy because adapting your strategies and lot size according to your risk profile will always keep you on edge. It will control your emotional mindset as well, and also it gives you the opportunity to trade in a relaxed and calm manner because trading is all about being relaxed. It's about having that psychological advantage, and psychology is key. I recommend books from Mark Douglas, who's very good at trading psychology. There's a book called Trading in the Zone, a very highly recommended book I tell traders about, and I'll actually post a copy of this book on the Audacity community app. So feel free to get that book. It will definitely help you improve your trading. I can also offer a few more tips as well, not taking nothing away from your achievement. I do like to make recommendations. You can probably look at things like what time will I trade the market? When will I do my analysis? What pairs am I good at to trade? What are my strategies? What are my rules of engagement? What time frames will I trade from? And what are my rules? Always have these sort of things in play. In order to grow your account consistently as well, you need to use consistent lot sizes, use tight stop losses, try and get in at areas of value, buy when price is very cheap and sell when price is very high. Also, read books on money management as well, trading psychology books, like I mentioned one, Mark Douglas, and join a community of like-minded individuals like the Audacity Community Support Channel, where me myself I put value there and other traders put value, and you can definitely learn a lot from there. Currently, looking at your month when you started, you gained 2.74%, and in April, when you actually achieved your 10%, 13.08% as well. So, Valerie, congratulations. This is a very good P&L. I'm very impressed, and I'm very confident you're going to go on to the next level, 60,000 in a few weeks. So, all the best. Please focus on the market conditions, your mistakes, always be accountable for your trading decisions as well. Just having a little preview through your history of trades. Valerie, you don't use a stop loss, and I always have a go at traders. Having a stop loss is very important because you leave the room open to uncertainty when you don't have a stop loss, unnecessary losses, and you're not in control of the trade. Three pillars of success of being a successful trader that's helped me over the years is persistence. Always be persistent with your trading. Always have a trading edge by maintaining your mindset and psychology, and also use a stop loss. These are just a few recommendations I think will help you make you a better trader and give you all the best in achieving the next goal. And take care, and I wish you all the best. You've done very well, and congratulations.